In order to actually make money with a side hustle, you don't need to sell any products, have a website, invest any money, build any social media accounts, or reveal your face. However, you also need to keep in mind that this is not going to make you a multimillionaire. Rather, it's just an easy side hustle idea that I tested, and it works for hundreds of people worldwide. Step number 1 if you want to make $7 per Google document is to sign up to this free website that pays complete beginners throughout the world. First things first, you can see that this platform has paid out $765,000 to its users so far. If you go through the proof of payments, you can see hundreds, if not thousands, of people being paid every single day anywhere from $1 all the way to $67 through PayPal Pay or Pay Year. Even Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are also available for cash out at this platform. I like to share in these free videos more than most people do in their paid courses and coaching programs, so if you do appreciate that, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. First things first, before we return to this platform, you simply want to open a new Google document. You can do this by going to google.com/new or docs.google.com. You just want to leave it this way for the time being, as we will return to this Google document to enable you to convert it into a valuable PDF so that you can earn money. Don't worry though. You don't actually need to sell that PDF or anything else in order to be compensated through this website. Nowupload.com is the primary platform that we will use to actually get paid from those Google documents. This platform has paid out over $66,500 to its users. And if you visit the proof of payments page once more, you can see thousands of people have been paid through this website. The website functions essentially as free data and file storage, so you can use it as a Google Drive. You can upload your files here and store them for free, though there is a limit to how much you can store for free. However, that's not the main reason we want to use this website. Yes, it's great that we can store our files for free, but the real reason you want to use this website is that it will pay you when someone downloads your files through your link. You can choose to make your files private or public, and you will get paid as soon as someone downloads one of your files. To find out more, scroll all the way down and click on Make Money. You can upload up to 10 gigabytes of files each, and it will demonstrate to you that you can receive payment of up to $7 for every 1,000 downloads, contingent upon the downloader's nation of origin. If the downloader is from Group A, which includes the US and Canada, this will depend on their location. Top-tier countries like Australia and the United Kingdom will pay you $7 when someone downloads your files, and pretty much all other countries will pay you $3. This is still acceptable, though, because you aren't actually selling anything. Rather, you are getting paid when someone downloads your files for free. The minimum payout is just $1. Thus, you don't have to wait weeks or months to get paid. There are plenty of other ways to get paid as well, such as PayPal Perfect Money Pay your web money out of cash. For now, all you have to do is click the Sign Up button over here. You may choose from a variety of ways to get paid, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and so on. Select a username, and here's how your dashboard will seem when you create your account. As you can see, we are able to upload up to 117 gigabytes of free files and data to this platform. Additionally, you can monitor your account balance and see exactly how much money you made. Obviously, this will change once we start using the Google Document strategy. This platform offers a variety of other ways to make money. For example, you can shorten links and get paid when someone clicks on them, but you can also get paid when someone downloads your files. To choose how you would like to be paid, simply navigate to the configuration on the left side. This is where you will be paid for uploading files, so let's go to Google Docs, create those files, upload them, and then get paid without selling anything. The next thing you obviously want to do is you want to create a valuable Google document. And then just enter your details. If you want to get paid through WebMoney, you will just need to enter your wallet over here. If you want to get paid through PayPal, just enter your email address and remember to just click on Save Settings afterwards so that people would find it helpful to download it from you and from your file upload account so that you can really get paid repeatedly. To do this, go to YouTube and search for various free courses on various topics. Then you want to copy the URL of those videos. Next, search Google for YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. I personally use YouTube Thumbnail Grabber, but you can use anything else. They're all essentially free. All you had to do was download the image of the YouTube video. Now all you had to do was repeat the process for a few more courses that you wanted to offer for free in your document. For example, the first course will be a free YouTube automation course. To upload the image, click Insert and then Image Upload from Computer. Now that it has been uploaded in this manner, you want to highlight and make this appear like a title. Then you can simply paste a link below it that says, "Click here to watch for free." You can even bold this to make it stand out. Then you want to highlight your text and insert the link to a YouTube video. Below that, you want to keep adding free courses. Anything you can offer for free in a document would be helpful. And the best part is that you can load these documents with affiliate links or offers that you also want to promote. Now, if you want to get even more free traffic to your link from file uploads and get even more downloads so that you can increase your earnings, you can also share your link all over social media. Whether it's going to be Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform, it doesn't matter. However, you can also add some affiliate links for different software and programs, products, and services so that even when someone downloads this, you might get another affiliate commission through the document. You can also share your links or create threads on Reddit for a comprehensive answer. The simplest method is to simply respond to people who ask questions, because if they're asking, there are probably a lot of other people who are also interested in the same thing. And the responses you provide may even rank on Google, meaning that if someone searches for that same question on Google, your response may appear and they may even click on your link. Obtain a file. They actually can download it for free and get those courses for free without any upsells, so they don't have to spend any money. They will be grateful, and you will make money without having to sell anything.